ॐ नमामि धन्वन्तरि आदिदेवं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितपादपद्मं लोके जरारोग्यमृत्युनाशनं दातारमीशं विविधौषधीनां धन्वन्तरि रमानाथं सर्वरोगनिवारकम् आयुर्वेदप्रवत्कारं वन्दे पीयूषदायकं सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Atmamali. Namaste. I am Dr. Vidyadhar Kumar and I am practicing in Ayurveda sector since last 14 years at Change World. And uh, previously we work for malnourished children in various villages. Uh, these children get malnourished free with Ayurveda treatment and some diet concepts. Now we are working for cancer patients as well. These cancer patients are getting treated with Ayurveda treatment, uh, some diet, and with counseling. And this pandemic situation, this corona situation, we are treating uh, corona patients with Ayurveda treatment, some with counseling, and giving them some dietary advice. Uh, Fortunately, various patients, those who are in critical conditions, they are also getting treated very fast with combined and integrated therapy as well as with only with Ayurveda treatment. Uh, these patients uh, get cured very fast and very lot of patients uh, they didn't need any oxygen supply and hospitalize and all that things. So this is most important thing to to know that Ayurveda also can help to treat such viral infection. So how it works? This is the main question. How it works? Ayurveda says that rather than immunity, we can concentrate on Agni, means digestive power. If digestive power is normal, then definitely there are a lot of chances to come out from this situation. So we are treating first digestive power as well as infection. So digestive power, once digestive power gets normal, lot of patients get come out from this situation very fast. So Ayurveda explain lot of various treatments to improve the Agni, to improve this digestive power. As you know, mind is the bridge between sense organ and soul. Whatever in your mind, whatever you think, body starts to change its physiology in this positive way. Those who are having sattva guna predominant, sattva guna pradhan, uh, they, they think positive and comes out from any critical situation very fast. According to Ayurveda, the mind has its own qualities and actions. Ayurveda says, manyate, avabuddhyate, jnayate anyana iti mana. Means that which helps is knowing something, it's called manas. Oneness and minuteness is another one more quality of the mind. The mind the mind is only one, means ekatva. This uh, this as well as some mind associated with many sense organs. uh, Fact is that at a time this mind can associated with only one sense organ, not with more than one sense organ. It's difficult to control more than one sense organ at a time. Uh, but quickness uh, with which the mind shifts from one sense organs association to another sense organs association uh, is very fast. And why it is because of minuteness of the mind, and this is called anutva. This mind is having three qualities: sattva, raja, and tama. These viruses, bacteria, and fungus get attracted by raja and tama pradhan mind, and vice versa. These viruses and bacteria get repelled by uh, sattva guna. Those who are having sattva guna pradhan mind, definitely they are having less chances to get infect, or less chances of to get any complication after getting infection. And how how we can improve this sattva status of the mind? We can improve this sattva status of the mind by following the three charyas explained in Ayurveda. That first is dinacharya. Dinacharya is most important thing. That is when to get up. Is Brahmi Muhurta. Brahmi Muhurta time is from early in the morning, 4 a.m. to 6 p.m. Because of positive waves, positive rays are there uh, in universe in at this time of the Brahmi Muhurta. Uh, with the help of these positive waves, we can improve our positivity, we can improve our sattva, we can improve our immunity, as well as after getting early in the morning. uh, there are various most important things Ayurveda says to do. In that, dantadavan dantadavan after dinacharya, uh, aharcharya is the most important thing. Ahar, uh, ahar is the concept in Ayurveda explained on the basis of the dosha, means vata, pitta, kapha. Uh, the status of vata, pitta, and kapha in our body uh, indicates what type of diet you should have, and it is the most important thing to 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 design our diet. After this aharcharya, last one is rutucharya. Rutucharya explain various things, that is about diet and things to do and not to do. With following these three charyas, definitely we can improve our sattva guna, we can improve our status of mind. And once our status of mind get improved, once our sattva get improved, uh, there are chances to be safe in such pandemic situation. So be safe, stay safe, and stay healthy. Namaskar. So stay positive, stay safe, and stay healthy. बाबा को शतशः नमन. आत्ममणि.